Okay, go.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
I'll show your wrist now.
Hi. Look at my lip, guys. Look at my lip. There's popsicle and I 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a lot. And this one's chocolate. And instead there's an M&M. And this orange, yellow, and purple and orange and yellow.
Oh, how about this one? Show it.
It's rock. And this one is the little ice is white. Then you get this Oreo. And but that's to the LSM. To the winner's LSM. And like this one, I have cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I have that one there. This and milk. This can use this one. But the cake. This one. The cup. And then this one is a juice. And this one is soda. And this one is Pokari. And I have all food. Then next.
What's next?
This one. I have mango. And that's mango. This one is. And this one, what is that?
Decoy.
That's I tickle.
Okay.
And then what is that?
Crab face.
What face? And what is that?
That's crab face too.
I want crab face. And that I want crab face.
Okay.
And then what is?
Done. I think you're done.
No. About this. And medicine. And this. And that. And this one is a ketchup. And that one is a fish. And that one is a ketchup and ketchup.
Oh, wow. You have lots of food.
What's a food, Tita Krishna? I have food. Nice.
Okay,
Let's
close
flip.
it and say bye-bye now.
No. Because I don't know see my Oreo. Tita Krishna. Tita Krishna have Oreo. That's my Oreo.
Is that Oreo? It's cereal.
It's cereal. Every day I eat it.
Okay, you say bye-bye now.
Bye-bye, Tita Krishna.
No, you say bye-bye, guys.
Bye-bye, guys, Tita Krishna.
No, you say bye-bye, guys.
Bye-bye, guys. It's a bunny.